Welcome back to my YouTube channel Lifestyle News. This time we talk about BTS Jimin become first Korean soloist to hit 30 week on Billboard 200 with the Muse. Jimin is rewriting history and record a time the BTS power star solo album Muse, which dropped in July 2024, refuses to fade from the spotlight. Month after its release, it continued to entertain listeners and rack up accolades. Muse has now spent 30 consecutive weeks on the Billboard 200 chart. This milestone makes Jimin the first Korean soloist to achieve the accomplishment. Meanwhile, the album lead track Who is not showing there either, marking its 29th week on the Billboard Hot 100, even including Group, the only other Korean artist ever to chart an album for the 30 week. The Billboard 200 is Jimin on Group, BTS informed the Sompi. But wait, there's a more. Jimin Regan extend beyond Billboard, who recently crossed a jaw-dropping 1.3 billion stream on Spotify. This record makes him the fastest Asian artist ever to hit that number. Even more impressive, he is the only K-pop soloist with 2 tracks surpassing the threshold. Who Joined Like Crazy, a song from the debut solo album Phase, which previously reached the same milestone, with his Jimin stand as the first and only K-pop soloist to have the 2 songs with over 1.3 billion Spotify stream. Jimin's commitment to his craft was recently highlighted in an interview with Viewers magazine. His producer, Padog, and shed light on the singer's creative journey while working on Muse. He reportedly shared a lot of people felt depressed during the pandemic, and Jimin was no exception. He took his passion and the appetite hold up a home and the chancer in it to his music. It seemed like working on Phase helped him feel better and helped lift his feeling. The idea behind Muse was to express what he had felt then. That's why all the songs ended up being upbeat and hopeful, even romantic. Muse is carefully curated collection of the 7 tracks alongside Who. The album includes Rabbit, Intro, Interlude, Showtime, Show Dance, and Fear Sophia Carson, Be Mine, and Closer Than This. The project was first released with his pre-release track and the Smelado Garden marking band, which set the stage for its success. The album following Jimin 2023 solo debut episode Phase. I hope you will enjoy this video. Like and subscribe my channel. Next time, goodbye.